Just wanted to make a quick video on the reason for some tubes failing. So basically we've got a 7.5, probably quite an early one, 2007 I'm pretty sure, but I'll just show you the problem and why it failed. So here they've attempted to fix it themselves, but it's not worked. But if you look here, they've used PVC to line the hull edge, and this is all PVC glue. So they've attached tube with PVC glue. This is a Hypalon tube. There was PVC lining here, which is this, and the customer said that the tube, when his son climbed up here to get into the boat, he stepped on the tube and the whole tube pulled up. Now that doesn't surprise me, because that's all PVC glue. So something to bear in mind. But yeah, I'm going to chop all this PVC out, line it back with Hypalon and stick it back together. Look at that. But yeah, I'll update it when I've finished. So some more food for thought on 7.5. If they've lined the edge of the hull with PVC at the back, then the chances are they've also lined it all the way up to the front, which realistically, if you've lined a Hypalon tube onto PVC with PVC glue priming the hull, PVC glue tends to have a much lower heat threshold, so, and it deteriorates with age and UV a lot quicker. It is possibly going to be a bit of a problem. Even Hypalon version boats, especially on these older ones, I know that the newer ones are going to be different because they are built properly in the UK. I'm not quite sure where these older ones were made. I'm assuming probably South Africa. But there's a very high chance that it's going to be lined with PVC, and if it is lined with PVC, then yeah, it could be a fail point. It's just something to bear in mind if you're looking at buying one, or if you own one. Yeah, it might not be the safest option. Not to put the fear of God into anyone, but just making it known. It's also a good opportunity just to quickly show you the comparison between the Hypalon and PVC after several years of weathering in the same conditions. So here's PVC. This was navy blue at one point. It's obviously nearly white now, and the Hypalon is still in very good condition. Yeah, we've got a rubber handle here, it's aftermarket, and that's obviously something's been added on after. But as you can see, all of the PVC patches are bleached and degraded. Yeah, just something to bear in mind. Cheers.